Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. Wanted to review the long call Condor setup that we did yesterday on Amazon. I did a video last night on this trade setup, the initial entry, so I wanted to come back to it and follow up and show you what it looks like today based on the setup that we did with the long call Condor. First off though, this was an alert trade. I have an alert service, so if you're interested in these types of trades, make sure to come check us out at PowerCycleTrading.com. But this was sent out to our alert members yesterday, and I'll show you what that looks like when we send it out by text. So this was an alert trade that we sent out. So I texted this out yesterday. You can see right here, June 9th. This is about midday. But what we do is I will send out, I look at the different chart patterns based on our trading model. Then I match it up with the appropriate option strategy. So this one was, you can see here, new long Amazon trading at 32.90. So it says go long call Condor debit spread. So the Amazon 18 June series 33.35, 33.40. So that's the debit spread side. Then the credit spread side there at 70 cents per spread or lower. So that was the trade setup. And then I give profit targets. You can see price target one was to 33.35. 2, 33.40, and target 3, 33.45. Well, it hit all those targets today. So let's take a look at what it looks like currently. So the first step that I use in my kind of directional process, I look for certain chart patterns. So this is what we call a cycle low retracement reversal. So you can see how price came from that upper high of in April 30th, and then this blue line here is the 200 period moving average. So this is a big moving average. So it retraced down. You can see it chopped around and then held, and this was a kind of a consolidation for about 1 month. And then you can see these dots that represents the squeeze pattern. So we set this up yesterday, went long. This is another part of the trade setup here based on a moving average cross. But anyway, we had a great entry right here, and then today you can see it exploded up, hit through all of our targets, and went out trading to a high of 33.51. So you can see when we look at the 5-minute time frame how explosive this was going into the close. All right, so here's what the trade currently looks like. So match this trade set up with the Condor, this call Condor, because I was worried about, the market's been a lot of uncertainty with the kind of back and forth between inflation and things like that. So, if in case this did not make it to the upside and break out, then I wanted to keep risk really low. So we had this for maximum cost of $60 or 60 cents debit cost, $60. So that's putting on the 18 June expiration next week, 33.35, 33.40 call debit spread, and then against it sold at 33.80.85. So that creates what we call a long call Condor. So this went out today up about $75 on our total risk of 60. So that's about 125% return on the super low risk positive theta. You can see $2 positive theta. Now we tweaked it a little bit more. So we sold in the morning. We also added to it a bull put credit spread and sold the 32.30, 32.25 bull put credit spread. This was about a 20 delta short strike, currently now about 15. So put another $77 credit to it. So we've got additional positive theta up to almost $7, and this has a really good profile. You can see what it looks like down here if I stretch it or kind of tweak it in. So a little bit extra tweak to bring in a little bit more potential profit and also a little bit more theta. So if you'd like to learn more about these types of trades, directional trades using different chart patterns, momentum, and then the types of option strategies to use, make sure to join me at PowerCycleTrading.com. Good luck trading.